You Can Do It presents DIY Decor. Your living area is more than simply a room with 4 walls and a ceiling. It's a representation of who you are and a blank canvas for your artistic expression. Although remodeling your room could seem like an exciting idea, many people believe that it will cost too much money. The fact is, you can create a unique refuge in your home without breaking the bank if you add a little creativity and resourcefulness to your design. We'll explore 11 DIY room design ideas in this video that will improve your living area without breaking the bank. Custom lighting. When it comes to creating a room's atmosphere, lighting is quite important. Rather than overspending on fixtures, think about making your own statement lighting. A personalized lampshade, a chandelier made of branches, or pendant lights made from mason jars can bring some originality into your room. To save costs and improve the look of your room, look for materials from thrift stores or reuse something you already own. Upcycled storage items. Organization can be attractive and practical at the same time. Convert discarded crates, pallets, or antique luggage into chic storage options. You can incorporate these pieces into your general decor motif by applying a faded finish or a bright coat of paint. You will not only give your place a unique touch, but you will also be supporting a more environmentally conscious and sustainable way of living. Creative wall art. Having blank walls allows you to express yourself in countless ways. Consider creating your own wall art instead of purchasing pricey ones. A gallery wall is an adaptable and aesthetically pleasing choice. Combine framed pictures, artwork, and one-of-a-kind objects to make a customized collage. Play around with resources to create your own statement pieces, including reused wood, leftover cloth, or even recycled magazines. Furniture makeovers. Worn or old furniture can be given new life with a creative decoupage, new hardware, or a fresh coat of paint. Use a striking paint color and distinctive knobs to turn an ordinary dresser into a stylish statement piece. Try experimenting with different painting techniques to add some personality, such as ombre or distressed. Repurposing existing goods not only adds character to your area, but also supports sustainability. Nature decor. There are lots of DIY decor ideas to be found in nature. Gather driftwood, pine cones, and branches to make one-of-a-kind sculptures or ornamental items. Use painted pebbles with motivational sayings or patterns as accent pieces or paperweights. For a cost-effective and revitalizing approach to integrate nature into your design, think about adding potted plants to your area. Wall murals. If you're adventurous, think about painting a customized wall mural. This could be an abstract painting, a landscape from nature, or even a geometric pattern. You may accomplish amazing results without being an expert artist. Many stencils and templates are available online to help you get started. A vintage decor. Vintage decor is not just about adding a piece of history to your home, it's about reimagining the past in a way that suits your present. Look through thrift stores and flea markets to find interesting vintage objects that can be turned into chic home accents. Antique frames can be transformed into stylish message boards. Old ladders can be transformed into sophisticated bookshelves, and vintage luggage can be used as amusing storage. As you turn lost items into useful and fashionable additions to your home, let your creativity run wild. Mirrors. Mirrors are more than just tools for reflection. They can be a fashionable focal point in addition to adding depth to a space. You can make your own custom mirror designs by framing simple mirrors with salvaged window frames, driftwood, or mosaic tiles. Try experimenting with various sizes and shapes to find what suits your environment and your personal style. Floating shelves. Floating shelves offer a platform for showcasing your creativity, in addition to being a useful storage solution. Construct your own shelves out of recycled materials or reclaimed wood. Utilize them to showcase a variety of decorative and functional objects by arranging them in intriguing configurations. In addition to being inexpensive, this do-it-yourself technique lets you create a customized display. Textiles. Textiles are an effective way to give a space warmth and character. Make your own throw pillows with cheap fabric and simple sewing techniques. Try your hand at block printing, stitching, or tie-dyeing to give simple curtains or bed linens interesting textures and patterns. Upcycle worn-out sweaters into chic blankets or pillowcases for a cozy and reasonably priced accent. Photo collage. Make a picture gallery with your most treasured memories to turn them into a visual masterpiece. Place your most treasured photos on a designated wall after printing and framing them in a variety of sizes and styles. In addition to being a visually pleasing focal point, this also lets you surround yourself with the things and people you value most. Use your imagination when arranging the pieces. Alternate between different frames, add string lights, or add other ornaments. With these budget-friendly DIY room decor ideas, you can unleash your creativity and transform your space into a reflection of your unique style, all without breaking the bank. So roll up your sleeves, gather your supplies, and get ready to make your living space truly one of a kind.